we're going to go ahead and make a spicy salmon. Here we have some salmon. We're going to start by getting our hands wet, having our nori rough side up, and then we're going to go ahead and again and get 150 to 160 grams of rice. Starting by putting it all the way across the top. And making even all the way across the board. Now we're going to go ahead, add our sesame seeds over the top. We'll make sure we flip it over. Let's cut. We're going to put a nice thick line on there, and then we'll go ahead and take our salmon and place it evenly all the way across the whole roll. Now it's time to go ahead and roll it up. Make sure your hands are a little bit wet, and then we'll go roll all the way around and tuck in, and then we'll go ahead, finish the closure, and then roll over. Take the maki soup and give a light press across the whole thing, concentrating near the bottom. We're not pressing very hard. Now we'll go ahead and finish it up to make it look nice and pretty. Now that we're at this stage, we can go ahead and cut the roll. We're going to take our sharp knife, and we're going to come halfway, starting from the heel of the knife. Then we'll bring the two pieces around, put them together. Then we're going to go ahead and cut into 1/3. Now we're going to go ahead and plate it.